Hey everyone, today let's see how we can put these images inside a circle or any shape you will want. So basically there are two steps for this. So first one I'll show you here without wasting any time. So now you think you have this image and you have photos to upload inside this. So what you do is you click on this image, right? And basically you have this image. Then you right click and you go to format shape. So under this column you can just see it's called picture or text fill. Right now I don't have picture inside this frame, so if I don't have picture inside this frame, I'll go here, I'll click on insert, I'll click on from a file. Here you can check from a file or stock images, online photos or icons. So I have these pictures in a file, so I'll click on this. Probably I'll select this guy over here and I'll try to click on this. See, so it's basically that easy. So when you click on this shape, then you go to the same thing you go here. So when you click on this, the same photo will be copied here, but I don't want the same photo. I'll just click this insert photo from a file. Right, I'll select this guy right here and I click on it. Right, so this is what it happens. Now for the second step, what we do is you already have four images inside your framework, right? So when you click on this, right click, copy the photo, and you can choose in whatever shape you want. You can choose whatever shape you want. Come back to the shape options, or if you don't get this, right click format shape, so you'll get this one. So here what you do is you go to picture and fill, you will get whatever is copied before, but no, I have copied somewhere here, so I have to click on clipboard. Right, so now when I choose this woman, right click, copy it, come here, right, come to picture and texture fill, then just click on clipboard and this woman's photo will get pasted here. That's all. Thank you everyone.